Welcome to the BariGirls Kitchen. I'm Linda.
And I'm Kylie.
And today we're talking about rotisserie chicken and all the ways you can utilize it down to the bone.
I love this. Today we're going to show you many varieties to serve this delicious chicken. And I'll say variety is key.
Absolutely. We'll start with our white chicken chili. Now this is incredible. The soothing of soup/chili and the heartiness of the rotisserie chicken with the vegetables.
Yes.
This is a must-do for you, and it's easy. Next, we have
Our awesome salad. Now here's the thing. This is how you're going to transition this to a main course. You're going to take the simple side salad, top it with some rotisserie chicken, and then it changes into a main course full of protein and makes it more filling, and you don't feel guilty.
Next thing we have is our chicken quesadillas. Now these are fantastic because we've used whole wheat tortillas.
Yes. Yes.
And as a dipping sauce, we have sriracha and mayo. And if you don't like that, or if it's too spicy, you can certainly use a light sour cream or guacamole.
Good options there. Good options. You know, not everyone likes spicy, but I tell you, that is good.
Exactly.
Oh my goodness. Moving down the line, we have our stuffed peppers with chicken and Parmesan. And let me just tell you how easy, delicious, and filling this is. We have seriously incorporated all our different colors of our bell peppers here, especially our red ones. Fun fact about the red bell peppers is that they are the most healthiest. You want to know why?
Please tell me.
Because they stay on the vine the longest, meaning they're absorbing all those great rays coming in from the sun and just enjoying it.
Now the next thing we have is our chicken broth. Now, once you've used all these variations, you're down to the bones. So you would combine the bones with your herbs and seasonings to make bone broth. What are the benefits of bone broth?
Let's talk about those benefits. Now, let me tell you something. Bone broth is very high in minerals and nutrients. So having this when you're like really feeling sick, you might not feeling the best that day, grab some broth because it really can help you feel just a little bit better.
Absolutely.
Just a little bit better.
Just a little bit. And some more benefits actually are it helps fight osteoarthritis, reduction of inflammation,
It does.
and helps with your joints.
Not to mention your eye health, because I see you looking at my bell peppers. I'm coming for you. I'm just kidding.
And there you have it. Wonderful ideas for rotisserie chicken to help you love yourself and make it count and eat healthy.
Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, for more healthy, flavorful, and fun recipes.
And when you try these at home, please leave us a comment and let us know how you make it count.
The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House. BariGirls out.